Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your NVIDIA graphic cards drivers. Firstly, what we want to do is just go and see if we already have the driver installed, and if we don't, we can always go and download them, but let's just quickly check. So just go and click on search at the bottom and you can type here NVIDIA, and then you should go and see the control panel and GeForce Experience appear. If you do, you can go and open them up, and we will continue in there in just a moment. But if you don't, what we can do is just go and download them. Just go and open up a browser, and I'll just use Google Chrome, and then go and search for NVIDIA Experience, just like this. It should appear, and then what you want to do is just go to the website and then press download now. It will go and download, and then just go and install it just like any other application. And once you install it, then what you need to do is go and open it up. I'll go and open it up mine, NVIDIA Experience, just here. And once you are in it, just go and update your drivers. You need to go to the drivers tabs in the top left, and then head to the top right and press check for updates, and then go and find you the latest one. And as you can see, at the moment I've got the studio driver available. So as you can see, I have already updated version. So yours will probably have a download or install button to the right, and I can also go and see down here that I've got the latest version of the game ready driver, which is fantastic. And check for updates, they will appear here and you can download them and install them. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.